Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where this green line here is coming from. And $48 was certainly the ideal level going into today. But it's a situation where, I mean, yeah, it's a bearish chart. There's no doubt about it. But the entire markets today got destroyed. So it's not like AMD was the only thing that was red and everything else was green. So yeah, it's disappointing that 48 was not able to hold. But like I said, it's not like AMD was alone. Pretty much everything went down today. But regardless, on that point of view, what I'm going to do is just get this line out of here, because what we can now more so monitor going into next week as a key level of resistance is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So yes, right now it's actually valued exactly at 48, but as next week plays out, because it's moving, that value will move its way downwards. But as of right now, that 50-period moving average really makes it most kind of cut and dry in terms of what levels of resistance to watch. As far as areas of support, I'm not saying the price is headed down here, but this is definitely the overarching level now where a whole lot of people are watching it, and it's one of those technical levels that everybody sees. What do I mean by that? Well, when everybody sees a level because it's just there, it's very evident, then you have a bunch of people watching the same level and wondering the same things. And when you have that dynamic occurring, well, that can, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements. So there are going to be a whole lot of people watching $46 next week wondering, if the price does go down there, what exactly is going to happen? I mean, a couple of nice bounces the last times it was down there. And then, shorts are going to be watching that wondering, well, if that level fails, then that could be a nice, potential movement to the downside. As of right now, the price isn't at 46, but the point here being that's definitely going to be the level of support that lots of people will be watching, and then also a lot of people watching that 50-period moving average. So a disappointing day today, but again, the entire market's got destroyed. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.